The secret of success in life can vary from person to person, as each individual has their own unique goals, aspirations, and circumstances. However, there are a few general principles that can help anyone achieve success in their life. Set clear goals, define what you want to achieve in life, and set specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound goals that align with your vision. Develop a positive mindset. Success often begins with a positive mindset. Believe in yourself, cultivate a growth mindset, and focus on solutions rather than problems. Take action. Success requires action. Take consistent and purposeful action towards your goals, and be willing to step outside of your comfort zone and take risks. Learn from failure. Failure is a natural part of the journey towards success. Learn from your mistakes, embrace the lessons, and use them to grow and improve. Build relationships. Success is not achieved alone. Cultivate positive relationships with others, seek out mentors and allies, and collaborate with others to achieve common goals. Practice resilience. Success requires resilience in the face of challenges and setbacks. Develop a strong sense of self, learn to adapt to changing circumstances, and bounce back from adversity. Remember, success is a journey, not a destination. Keep moving forward, stay focused on your goals, and stay true to your values and purpose.